wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling tool totes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Everyone who loves multifaceted items will appreciate this horusdy tool backpack, which acts just like any old rucksack until you pull out its telescopic handle and use it as a roller thanks to its built-in wheels. It's got plenty of pockets too. It includes a sternum strap for comfort and is water resistant. However, it's not made for super heavy loads. At number 9, the Stanley 3-in-1 workshop rolls in on 7-inch wheels with a spacious bottom bin as well as a removable chest and small parts organizer. It has heavy-duty metal latches to keep it sealed tight, and at less than 11 pounds, it's a breeze to move around. It latches shut without the organizer and is made in the USA, but it's not commercial grade. Coming in at number 8 in our list. The Craftsman sit-stand tote will help you get your stuff to where you're going, it's true, but it doesn't seem to be sturdy enough to stand on, as the name suggests. Nevertheless, it offers practical storage as long as you don't put your body weight on it. It includes a padlock eye for security and is plain and not gaudy, with big 5-inch wheels. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool totes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Husky 18-inch is constructed of tough 600 denier polyester that's water-resistant and rugged. It has a large main compartment for power tools, along with internal and external pockets for smaller items. Its robust wheels make transport a breeze. It's lightweight at 13 pounds and compact enough for airline travel. It includes a telescoping handle. Moving up our list to number 6. Although the Stark USA Elite Wide Mouth isn't overly large or cumbersome, it still manages to pack in the organizational features, including 8 external pockets for keeping your most used items right at your fingertips. Plus, the blue color is eye-catching. It comes with 5 internal compartments and 3 plastic feet for stability. However, it is best for light duties. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you can't stand dragging around more gear than you need, then you may appreciate the modular design of the dewalt toughsystem. Its 3 components stack like a dream, but when you don't want one or both of the top 2, they come off to save you some effort. It's easy to grip and hoist, and its metal parts are rust resistant, but it does require a somewhat large investment. At number 4, the Keter masterloader looks like a magnificent ice chest for your gear. The top sections slide open like wings, exposing the main bin, which is unobstructed and readily accessible. A central latch locks all the components together. Its rubber wheels are robust and the handle has a soft grip. However, the latch could be more durable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Some totes have very specific applications, like the Milwaukee Jobsite 18-inch, which is designed for electricians. It comes equipped with an ample 66 pockets for hand tools and space in the middle to accommodate power drivers. It features a nifty tablet sleeve, a full-length axle, and all-metal skid plates. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool totes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Klein Tools Tradesman Pro boasts 24 tool storage pockets and is made with a 600 denier ballistic weave for durability. Weighing 19 pounds itself, it offers a 200-pound carrying capacity, and the top opening is equipped with a reinforced metal frame for rigidity. It comes with a molded protective kick plate, a pocket for a laptop, and a sturdy collapsible handle. And taking the top spot on our list, the Husky Pro Grade 22-inch is constructed for endurance. It rides on 3 heavy-duty rubber wheels and has numerous interior and exterior pockets for storage. A folding top flap conceals the main opening to provide resistance from the elements. It features a 150-pound weight capacity, a waterproof zipper, and carrying handles on the top and sides. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool totes, or simply click beneath this video.